Alright, let's talk about the minimum subsequence in non-increasing order. So you are given an array nums. Obtain the subsequence of an array whose sum of elements is strictly greater than the sum of a non-including element in such subsequence. So basically it's like this. So I don't like the definition. The first couple of reading, then I don't understand. So here's a solution. I mean the explanation for sure. So we are going to have to traverse the entire array. So I will have a total sum. So total S is represent 4 plus 3 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8. So if I do my math correctly, this is what? 19, 22, 30, 34, right? So it's going to be 34. Right. So now I need to know, like, when I traverse the entire array and I want to find out which one should I pull first. So my sum. So I have a sum. Okay, this color is not pretty helpful. So it's going to be sum. So sum is actually what? I need sum is greater than total sum. This is the idea, right? Sum has to be greater than total sum. So I need to actually sort in this entire list using a PQ. So PQ will add every single num into my every single num into my PQ. So when I pull my PQ, right, I need to just check my solution. Does my subsum is actually greater than the total sum? If not, then I will continue. So if this is valid, you have to break. So if you know what I mean, like you will definitely have a while loop, and then when you want to traverse entire PQ, right? Your well argument should be this subsum less than equal to total sum. So you have to keep traversing until PQ is empty, or there's no, there's a subsum greater than the total sum. So this is the solution, to be honest. So I will have a PQ, PriorityQueue. I'm going to pass integer, and PQ represent PriorityQueue, and then PriorityQueue is actually from smallest to greatest, right? But when I pull from the PQ, I always want the greatest one. So which means I'll have to reverse PQ. So it's going to be collection reverse order, right? Alright, this is definitely the easy way to write. You can also use the lambda, like a b, and then you convert if a is less than b or not, right? But I want to do it in this way. So I also need a return value, which is list of integer. I'm gonna result, right? I need array list. So I will have to return result, right? Alright, so first thing I need to create a subsum. Total sum is subsum, right? So both starting from 0, and then traverse entire nums array. So I will have to add my PQ, add my num into my PQ, and also total sum will keep track of the nums. And later on, I will just have to I'll have to traverse entire PQ for sure, right? So while subsum is actually less than or equal to total sum, right? You will have to continue the while loop, right? So when the subsum is greater, which is strictly greater, you will break the while loop. So I also have to check if my PQ is not empty, right? Not empty, I will just keep traversing. So I will say PQ the value, and I will say total sum minus the num, and subsum plus equal the num, and also list I add. Also need to add into the list, right? So how can I return? I need to add into the list. So let me run it, and I made a typo. Total sum, right? And try again. Right, another error. Wait, this is supposed to be result. Okay, Sorry for the mistake, it happens. And let's talk about time and space. This is going to be what? The priority queue. So when you're traversing, this is all of n log n, right? N log n for sorting. So this is time, the worst case, n log n. And for the space, it's going to be all of n, right? And you actually need to store every single element into a PQ and then the result. So this is going to be the space all of n, and this is going to be the time n log n. And this is the solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.